In our universe, scientists estimate there are over 2 trillion stars, galaxies, and planets out there. Around 13.5 billion years ago, the Big Bang went off, a massive cosmic explosion that kickstarted everything we know today. Out of all those galaxies, we live in just one, the Milky Way. And somewhere in this giant neighborhood lies our home, planet Earth, formed around 4.5 billion years ago. Since then, millions of species have shown up and disappeared. But out of all those creatures, one name hits different: the dinosaurs. There was a time when dinos literally ruled this planet. But around 65 million years ago, a giant asteroid slammed into Earth, and boom, dinosaurs were wiped out for good. Time moved on. Then, humans showed up. And bro, humans didn't just live, they leveled up. We built cities, highways, luxury cars, skyscrapers, private jets, you name it. Today, there are over 8 billion of us on this planet. But yo, just imagine for a second. What if humans suddenly disappeared? Like, gone. Instantly. Poof. What happens next? Would Earth survive? What would this planet look like without us? Scientists say the very moment humans vanish, every plane flying in the sky would go down. On average, 100,000 flights take off daily. At any given time, around 10,000 planes are in the air, with nearly 1 million people on board. If all those jets suddenly crash, it would look like the world just went to war. Roads? Empty. Highways? Silent. Cars, buses, trucks. They'd crash into each other like chaos mode. Within hours, the world's electricity would shut off. Only hydro and solar plants would hang in there, but even they'd fail in a few days. The world would go dark, and honestly, the night sky would look insane, way brighter and more beautiful than we've ever seen. Massive factories would shut down forever. Cities would stand quiet, dead still, as if time just stopped. Within a few days, subway stations like in New York would flood. Right now, NYC pumps 13 million gallons of water every single day to keep tunnels dry. No humans? Everything goes underwater. About 10 days later, zoo animals and caged pets would die from hunger and thirst. The ones that escape would enter survival mode, hunting or getting hunted. Small pets? Gone first. Bigger dogs? They'd form wild packs. A brand new era of predators would begin. A month later, power plants would explode because nobody's around to cool them. The blasts would be massive, bigger than anything humans have ever seen, wiping out millions of animals. Within a year, thousands of satellites orbiting Earth would start falling from space. Today, we have over 8,000 satellites. Imagine them raining down like a meteor shower. But no humans left to watch. After 25 years, nature takes over. Greenery covers roads. Trees start breaking through concrete. After 30 years, the air becomes super clean. The Earth becomes peaceful again. Cities like Dubai and Vegas, built right in the desert, would disappear under sand. Nature wins. Within 100 years, almost all skyscrapers and buildings collapse. After about 150 years, those green roads, they turn into rivers. After 300 years, the Eiffel Tower collapses. Iron structures fall apart. Forests spread everywhere. New species evolve. After 400 years, swamps return. Birds rule the land. After 450 years, animals multiply like crazy. Oceans fill with new life. Earth becomes the planet of mammals and reptiles, just like the dino era. After 500 years, modern cities are done for, vanished. Only forests remain. After 600 years, Earth's entire map changes. From space, it's just green and blue. After 10,000 years, the only human-made structures left are the pyramids and the Great Wall of China. But even they eventually fade away. Time goes on. 30 million years, 50 million years. And the only thing still left from humans? Plastic bottles. But even those won't last forever. After 300 million years, there won't be a single trace of humans. If any intelligent species ever visits Earth, they'd have no clue we even existed. Hopefully, you liked this video. Make sure to drop a like, share it, and hit that subscribe button. I'll see you in the next one. Until then, peace out.